Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
All is now set for the January 21st, 2023 launch of the book about the life and times of His Royal Majesty Benjamin Okumagba. Okumagba the first and second Oroswe of Okere Urhobo community in Warri South local government area of Delta State. Titled His Royal Majesty Benjamin Okumagba, Portrait of a New Nationalist, the book details the many struggles for emancipation which characterized the life of Okumagba I. His successful struggles have today altered the course of history in Urhobo Nation, Delta State, and indeed Nigeria. In the following report, I will take a look at some lasting legacies of His Royal Majesty Benjamin Okumagba, who was also for 8 years President General of the Pan-Urhobo Socio-Cultural Organization, Urhobo Progress Union, UPU. The Urhobo ethnic nationality is arguably the fifth largest tribe in Nigeria, as well as the majority ethnic group in Delta State. They constitute the entirety of Delta Central Senatorial District. Although there are also Urhobos indigenous to the Warri area, they were never really considered as indigenes. His Royal Majesty Benjamin Okumagba made it his life struggle to reverse the situation. To establish their ownership of lands in the Warri area, the Okumagba family, led by Chief Daniel Okumagba and King Benjamin Okumagba, proved in court beyond reasonable doubt that they owned ancestral lands in the Warri area as established by the Supreme Court of Nigeria in 1976 in the case of Idundu and others versus Okumagba and others, which was decided in favor of the Okumagbas. 29 years ago, I interviewed the lead counsel on the case for the Okumagbas, the late Dr. Mudiaga Oje, the first legal practitioner to be appointed a senior advocate in the defunct Bendel State. Dr. Oje told me that the Okumagba case, which he described as a locus classicus, has established the proper way to determine land ownership in Nigeria.
The case dealing with Okumagba our layout here. And that case is important for the decision itself and the review of the law, land law, which the Supreme Court really laid down about the ways of establishing title to land in Nigeria.
After the celebrated case, it was now clear to everyone that Urhobo families owned ancestral lands in Warri and that indeed they are indigenous to the Warri area. To ensure proper recognition, King Benjamin Okumagba led the charge to officially make Okere Urhobo a kingdom within the Warri area. After years of agitation and civil unrest, the last military administrator of Delta State, Wing Commander Walter Fegabo, retired in 1999, formally created 3 traditional kingdoms within the Warri area, and one of them was the Okere Urhobo Kingdom. Former Attorney General of Delta State, Barrister Victor Otumewo, says all Urhobos in Warri should be thankful to King Benjamin Okumagba.
Whatever is the political achievement of the Urhobos today in Warri could be singularly, underlined, singularly attributed to the irrepressible spirit of His Royal Majesty, my mentor-in-chief, Chief B.O. Okumagba of blessed memory.
A father of many children, biological and non-biological, as well as a lover of education, King Okumagba ensured that all the children around him, including indigent ones, were properly educated. Honorode Okumagba is a daughter of the monarch.
Papa was a man of style. Papa loved culture and tradition a lot. He loved education. On Saturdays, he used to make sure that we go to, then the libraries were functioning. So he used to make sure we go and read on Saturdays in the library. And he did not discriminate between his children. We were very many. Even his children that were not biological. We all lived in the household. There was no discrimination. When you come to the house, you won't even know who is who.
Reverend John Onojakpo, Executive Assistant to King Okumagba for many years, says all is now set for the book launch.
The book is ready. We had the soft copy and the hardcover, back cover. They're ready. We have gathered the la cream of Urhobo nation of Nigeria to come and honor a great leader.
The book, His Royal Majesty Benjamin Okumagba, Portrait of a New Nationalist, will be officially launched on Saturday, January 21st in Warri, Delta State. The event will be chaired by former Delta State Governor Chief James Onanefe Ibori.
Inside the Niger Delta,